Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Alhamdulillah pada hari ini kita semua bisa berkumpul di ruang Zoom untuk mengikuti kegiatan pelatihan jarak jauh bahasa Inggris. Bila-bila hari ini hari pertama untuk kegiatan belajar mengajarnya, karena hari kemarin kita fokus ke pembukaan dan persiapan untuk WPJJ-nya. Untuk materi pada hari ini sesuai jadwal, kita akan mengikuti kegiatan tentang BLC dan juga RTL. Pemateri yang akan mendampingi Bapak Ibu semua hingga nanti 10 hari ke depan, mulai hari kemarin, yaitu Pak Saifullah Majid Pendidikan. Beliau sudah ada di ruang Zoom meeting juga. Nama lengkap beliau Saifullah Majid Pendidikan, NIP 19680405 2005 01 1007, lahir di Banjar 5 April 1968, jabatan Widya Sarmadya 4A, alamat kantor sama dengan Ulun di Balai Diklat Keagamaan Banjarmasin, Jalan Ahmad Yani Kilometer 22 Landasan Ulun di Banjarbaru. Alamat rumah tidak jauh dari kantor di Jalan Sukamaju Cegah Mandiri Blok C 12 Landasan Ulin. Nomor handphone 0853 4818 9988. Pendidikan terakhir beliau S2 Bahasa Inggris di Malang. Pengalaman jabatan beliau pernah sebagai guru di MIN, MTS, dan juga di MA sebelum menjadi Widya Suara. Begitu saja pembuka dari kami panitia. Untuk selanjutnya silakan kepada Pak Saifullah untuk memberikan materi tentang BLC dan juga nanti RTL. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Oke, baik. Sudah bisa mulai Pak Lukman ya? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Nice to meet you this morning. This is the first time or the first meeting for our training for e-learning or distance learning. There are many information I'll tell you this meeting, but our agenda, the first agenda today is introduction. We will introduce ourselves one by one. In WhatsApp, in WhatsApp you can get the link, and we will use Jamboard to introduce ourselves. Now please, you have to make WhatsApp web from your computer, from your laptop.
Yes. Of course.
Pak Lukman, I will share screen, share screen, because we will use a Jamboard to make our introduction this morning. Okay. Don't make any any writing or any sign from our Jamboard, because I will show you what will we do in this Jamboard. Yeah. Okay. First of all, okay. Yes. See here. Yeah. We will add. No. Yeah. First, we will add sticky note and then write your name, for example, yeah. Saifullah. My name's Saifullah and I am from Banjarbaru. I was graduated from State University of Malang. And then you have to add more information about your teaching experiences and your reasons in joining this training. You have to write in this sticky note like this. Yeah, this is only one example. And then you have to add your photo here, yeah, from your computer. This one. Okay, add photo, then okay. Now you can start now. You first of all you can add your photo and then you can add a sticky note, and then write the information about yourself, your name, your school, yeah, and then your graduation, your teaching experiences, and then your reasons and joining in this training. Yeah. Okay. Now start. Yeah. Okay. Anyone can start now. Please click the link. Yeah. And then write and then add your photo, your picture. Okay. Okay. Please add your beautiful photo. Okay. Normalia. Okay. Okay. You can move your sticky note. You can make it smaller, longer.
Mamanya.
Kenapa? Ada ini kan dia isok ada.
Sudah hampir deh.
Iya kan? Makasih banyak lah. Kami sampai yang tidak.
Okay. Okay, I repeat ya. Please take sticky note ya. And then write your name here. Ya, sticky note.
Hobi berarti kan tujuannya. Dilajari lawan yang ditesakan nih.
Mohon maaf Ibu Hafsah.
Okay, now please turn off your sound first, yeah. And then when you are asked to speak, then you have to open again your sound. Okay, very good, Hesti from Sampit. Okay, next.
Hi Pula.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry because maaf pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. Maaf Pak, saya ini lagi ada pertemuan orang tua. Jadi saya Zoom meeting ini pakai handphone saya, jadi saya nggak bisa.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
But you
it's okay.
you know me before.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you know me before.
Okay, this is only our
Second
first
time.
activity. Yeah, we can continue for the next activity. You can just watch.
Yeah.
And then pay attention to our friends. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay ya Pak.
Okay.
Thank you before.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, after this, we will continue to the next activity. We will use a Jamboard for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, then at 9:30 we will continue the next activity. Please turn off your sound. Yeah, you can make like what Hesti did, yeah, like this. Yeah, Marcella Mimi, please add your photo here. Baby. Ahmad Afandi, please add your photo. Okay. Normalia, ya. Okay, this is only greetings, no information. Isna Indriati from MTSN Palangkaraya. Okay. Add your photo here. Okay, I think for the screen we use for 10 participants, and then we will go to the next screen. Yeah. Yeah, Ahmad Afandi, do you have your photo? Indah Tri, ya. You can make another sheet, yeah. Yeah, if you want to use another sheet, you can click here. Okay, Ayu Yuvitasari. Add your photo, Isna. Okay. Okay, Marcella maybe. It's very good. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 participants here. Okay, I think we can continue our activity, and then you can introduce yourself using this Jamboard, yeah, after this, yeah, after our meeting, yeah, because the link is always open for you, yeah, and then make it as beautiful as possible, yeah, in our sheet. Okay, next. Okay. I think we stop, yeah. We stop our Jamboard activity. You can continue later. Now we will introduce ourselves one by one. Okay. Later, after this meeting, you can continue improving or editing or revising your information in the Jamboard. Yeah. Now it is time for us for introducing ourselves one by one. Here, yeah, your names, and then your graduation, your teaching experiences, and then your opinions about this training. Why is this training important for you? And then what are your expectations from this training? Yeah. Okay. Later you can tell your expectation, and then you can write your expectation in the Jamboard for the next sheet. Yeah, another sheet. Okay, first of all, I give the time for introducing yourself. Free Indah Ningsih. Okay. Free Indah Ningsih, time is yours. Okay.
Ya, Pak.
Okay. Time is yours. It's time for you to introduce yourself. Okay.
Maaf, Pak. Ulun nih kurang paham masalahnya. Ulun nih cuma lewat HP.
Iya, iya. Ya,
Tapi buka juga laptopnya, tapi ulun nih kurang bisa masalah laptop nih, baik.
ya, kalau itu nanti Bu bisa later ya. Sekarang kita lanjut ke kegiatan kedua, nanti kegiatan ketiga yang tidak bisa masuk di Jamboard nanti Ibu belakangan nanti diajari oleh teman-teman yang lain di kelas kita ya. Oke. Sebab itu Jamboardnya masih tetap terbuka, nanti kapanpun Ibu bisa masuk, nanti bisa minta bantuan dari teman-teman di kelas kita ya. Oke, now this is our second activity, that is introducing ourselves. Oke. Start from Free Indah Ningsih ya. Oke.
Iya, Pak.
Ya. Silakan memperkenalkan diri.
Ulun nggak, Pak?
Ya.
Oke. Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Free Indah Ningsih. You can call me Ningsih. I was born in Muara Laum on August 21 1985. I'm graduate SIP Palangkaraya. I'm from MTSN 2 Murung Raya. I'm an English teacher here. This is my first experience join this training, so I hope give me a new experience and add my knowledge about my job in school, and also can be improve my skill of English teaching in my school. I hope all teachers can help me during this training. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You are born at Muara Laung ya?
Iya, Pak.
And you stay there and you teach there. Okay, ya. Next, Free Indah, ya, you can choose your friends. One of your friends here to introduce himself or herself.
Ibu Eka Sulistiawati di sini, Pak.
Okay, Eka Sulistiawati, time is yours.
Okay, thanks for the time, Miss Free Indah Ningsih. Let me know, I introduce myself. My name is Eka Sulistiawati. I am from Kutai Kartanegara, MTS Al Ihsan Tenggarong Seberang. I was graduated from UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim, and why I joined this training, because in this the first time to joining this training, because I would like to improve my teaching in classroom. So please, the all author help me how to get easy to my student understanding of the English learning. Maybe that's all my introducing. See you. Thank you very much, Mr. Saiful.
Okay, thank you. Eka Sulistiawati ya. Now please choose one of your friends here.
Okay, I will look to call Miss Marcella Mimi.
Okay, Marcella, ya, time is yours.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, hello of the
Hello.
great teacher here. Thanks for the time that choosing me. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Marcella Mimiswarti, but you can call me Miss Mimi. I am a teacher in MTSN Bulungan. Actually, I'm from Tarakan. And then I was graduated from Borneo University in Tarakan City on 2014. And before I go to Bulungan, I was teach in Tarakan as a math teacher in one of elementary school. The name was MI Sabilul Khairat Tarakan. And in 2020, I moved to Bulungan, and I have been teaching English in here from 2020. I'm sorry, and I'm so happy because I got opportunity join this training, because I think as a teacher we have to increase our ability. We have to improve our ability and knowledge to share with another teacher in here maybe, and we can apply in the class the knowledge that we got from here. I think that's all. Thank you for
Okay.
the time. Assalamualaikum
Okay,
warahmatullahi
thank you. Waalaikumsalam. Mashallah,
Warahmatullahi
Mimi,
wabarakatuh.
please. Now your turn to choose your.
I will choose Imran Jamal from Malino. Hello.
You know him, ya?
Yes.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I'm so sorry because it's too crowded here. Today is our last day of our class meeting. So there are so many cheerful students. They're so crowded because today is the announcement day of their final class meeting. So maybe we can hear some crowded here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Imran Jamal. I am an English teacher in MTS Negeri Malinau. Actually, I am from South Sulawesi. I graduated from STKIP Muhammadiyah Bone, South Sulawesi. But since 2014, I live in Malinau. I hope we can learn together in this training. I hope I can learn much from all of our tutors, all of our friends here. And I hope I
graduated from Islamic University
improve my skill, and then I can give some I don't know what to call, maybe values in this training, or we can share many things and learn many things from this training. Maybe that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Imran Jamal. Now it's your turn to choose your friend.
Maybe Mr. Irwan Saputra, please.
Let me introduce myself. My name
Yeah.
is Mr.
Irwan, yeah. Okay.
From
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam wabarakatuh.
I'm from MTS Miftahul Ulum Penyipatan Tanah Laut.
79. Now I teach
I am English teacher there, so I hope this training will give me gaining. So I hope this.
and I'm very happy to join again in this class.
So I hope this training will give me a gaining.
Okay, Irwan, it's hard to hear your voice. I think Murniati, you can mute first, yeah. Okay, thank you, Murniati. Continue, Irwan Saputra.
Yes, sir. I'm very happy because I accept again in this class, and I think I have to improve myself because I think I'm very less in English, but I always try to teach my students because I teach in private school. And I have to say thank you to everyone because I accept again in this class. Maybe that's all. Thank you for the time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you, Irwan Saputra. Please choose your friend. Irwan Saputra, you can choose another participant to introduce herself.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Ya,
Mrs. Dewi Jayanti.
Ais. Ais satu guna ya. Oke.
Suara saya kedengaran?
Ya, ya.
For the first time, I will say thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. Is Ais Wijayanti. I was graduated from.
Sorry, Mahmudah, you can mute. Okay, thank you, Mahmudah. Next, Ais,
I
continue.
was graduated from Islamic University of Kalimantan, Muhammad Arsyad Al-Banjari. I am a teacher in Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 7 Hulu Sungai Tengah. Following this training for me to increase friends, and also it can improve my skill to technique teaching in the classroom. Yes, I believe this training can improve my quality English teacher resources, my resources to be able adaptive to the developments. Thank you very much for your attention. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, now please choose your friend.
Ibu Indah. Dari Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 2 Hulu Sungai Tengah.
Bu Indah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Trinuryanti. I am actually from Jombang, East Java, but now I live in Barabai, Hulu Sungai Tengah. I was graduated from STKI PPGRI Jombang in 2016, and now I am a teacher, English teacher in Hulu Sungai Tengah. As a long life education, long life learner, I want to always enrich my knowledge more and more. So I wish hope in this training I get some new experience and also plans to share about educational problem, especially in English teaching. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, thank you, Indah. Now it's your turn to serve.
I choose Mr. Ahmad Yanto from Hulu Sungai Utara.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sorry for the noise maybe around me. So my name is Ahmad Yanto. I was studying in Aldous College in Kalimantan. That is Staiga Muntai. I was graduate in 2013. My lesson in this training is to increase my ability to teaching to students, because my school is piloting projects in this kabupaten. I'm sorry. I think I saw that's maybe. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, welcome. Ahmad Yanto, you have submitted your first assignment, right?
Yes.
But you have to change your video because there is no sound. Yeah, you change and you submit again. Yeah.
Yes. I'm sorry because this is headset in trouble.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I send.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Ahmad Yanto, please choose your friend.
Maybe I will choose my friend from Sungai Tengah. Maybe or Mr. Edwin Yulsar. Mr. Edwin Yulsar.
Oh yeah, Edwin Yulsar. Okay.
Mr. Edwin, please.
Yeah. Ya, Edwin Yulsar. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello.
Waalaikumsalam
Good morning
warahmatullahi
all.
wabarakatuh.
First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Edwin Yulsar.
Morning, sir.
Thank you very much for the opportunity that I have today. So first of all, I am from Banjarmasin. Then I have a duty call as a teacher MTSN 2 Hulu Sungai Tengah with Miss Indah Trinuryanti and Mr. Ahmad Yanto is my friend. So I expect that this training, I hope I can be a good teacher. I hope I can teach as good as possible because our school is like Mr. Ahmad Yanto as piloting of Curriculum Merdeka. I hope this training can teach us to be a good teacher. I think that's all for me, sir. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Edwin, now it's your turn to choose another participant.
Siapa ya? Wait up. I choose Miss Isna Indriati.
Isna.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Bapak Ibu. Nice to see you all, especially Pak Saifullah. We meet again in this occasion after a year of Diklat. Okay, let me tell you my name, my full name. Yeah, about a year. Yeah. My name is Isna Indriati. I'm from Java, East Java. I live in Palangkaraya since 2004, and then I have teaching English in MTS since 2005. But at that time, I was in MTSN 2 Palangkaraya, and then in 2015, I moved to MTSN 1 Palangkaraya. I was graduated from Universitas Negeri Malang in 2011, and then it was great opportunity that I got scholarship from Kementerian Agama. About teaching experience, mostly I teach 9 graders. So when I got this chance to join this English teachers training, it is special. It is special occasion that I can meet many teachers, especially around Kalimantan, from Kalimantan Selatan, and then Kalimantan Timur, and also Kalimantan Utara. Nice to see you all, Bapak Ibu, and then hopefully by joining this training, we can share experience. So we not only get knowledge from the trainer, like Pak Saifullah, but we can share our experience during our teaching. I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Isna
wabarakatuh.
Indriati. I am in Palangkaraya now. I am in MTSN 1 Palangkaraya. Tomorrow I will back again to Banjarbaru. Yeah. But now I am in the hotel. After this, I will back again to MTSN 1 Palangkaraya. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I see. For this training?
There is another training for penyuluh agama, penghulu.
Yeah, I see.
Not teacher. Yeah.
Not teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, Pak.
Okay. If Nana, it's your turn to choose another participant.
Okay, well, this one, Bu Murniati. Your turn,
Okay.
please.
Murniati. Ya. Oke, Murniati.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Murniati. I'm from Takisung, Tanah Laut. I graduated from Islamic University State of Banjarmasin. I am from MTS Miftahul Ulum Panyipatan Tanah Laut. I am an English teacher there. So I hope this training will give me gaining new knowledge to be learned and applied in the classroom and school and motivating for self-development. Okay, thank you. I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Murniati. Okay, Pak Kisung. Now, it's time for you to choose another participant.
Pak Ahmad Afandi.
Ahmad Afandi. Ya, Ahmad Afandi. Yang lain juga nanti perhatikan ya, jangan sampai menyebut yang sudah memperkenalkan diri ya. Nanti dapat hadiah yang salah. Oke, Ahmad Afandi. Ahmad Afandi. Oke, Ahmad Afandi, time is yours. Ahmad Afandi Banjarmasin ya. It seems Ahmad Afandi has not ready yet. You can choose another participant ya.
Ibu Hesti.
Ibu Hesti, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ibu Hesti, time is yours. Ya, Ibu Hesti. We cannot hear you, Bu Hesti. Okay. Anyone can hear Hesti?
No, not yet.
No.
No, sir.
Yeah. Problem
Trouble in
with your
Sangyo.
connection. Esti, check sound. Esti. Okay, we move to another participant ya. Esti later ya. Laylatul now. Laylatul ya. Esti later. Okay. Okay, Laylatul, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Laylatul Widyaningrum. You can call me Layla. I am from Kasongan, Katingan, Sentral Kalimantan. I was born in Bojonegoro on June 11th, 1982, and I graduated from UNIF PGRI Bojonegoro, East Java, and now I am a teacher, or English teacher at MTS Katingan. And then by joining this training, I hope that I can improve my English skill and maybe can make friends and then can sharing experience in teaching English in English learning. Maybe that's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Yeah. Laylatul,
Yes.
please choose another participant.
Maybe Istiqomah. Yes.
Who?
Ibu Istiqomah.
Istiqomah. Okay, Istiqomah.
Ibu, maaf suaranya ini ya Bu, Ibu apa namanya? Soalnya saya lagi rapat, lagi sumpah.
Oke.
Saya lagi rapat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sebentar.
Ya.
Sebentar saya pindah tempat dulu soalnya lagi rapat Bapak Ibu.
Oke.
Saya cari tempat dulu ya.
Itu sudah tempat itu, Bu. Oke, Istiqomah.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Istiqomah. I live in Muara Jawa, Kabupaten Kutai Kartanegara. I am English teaching. I am English teacher at MTS Betul Aman Muara Jawa. I graduated from Widyagama Mahakam Samarinda University. My experience as a teacher is because of my dream to become a teacher. So being a teacher is very fun. I can get along with students and be a parent as well as a friend for them. And my reason for joining this training are I want to gain knowledge and experience as well as at material that has not been obtained before. Maybe that's all about my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, Istiqomah.
Yeah.
Okay, another participant. Istiqomah, just another participant.
Siapa yang belum ya? Soalnya saya baru bergabung ini Bapak Ibu, baru ada suaranya.
Oke.
Maybe Ibu Masyela Mimi Suwarti sudah belum?
Oke, sudah ya. Sudah.
Sudah.
Ini boleh saya bantu ya,
Boleh,
Ibu
Bapak.
Dewi Jayanti. Ya, Ibu Dewi Jayanti ya. Oke, thank you Istiqomah. Ya, Dewi Jayanti. Nah. Yeah, can you start?
Where is Ibu Lis Wijayanti? Ada orangnya enggak, Pak?
Dewi, ya. Dewi
Ibu
Jayanti.
Dewi.
Masalah
Dewi.
juga ya. Yeah. Problem with your microphone ya. Okay, we move to Ajeng ya, Ajeng.
Ibu Lia sudah, Ibu Nurmalia sudah.
Normalia belum. Oke, Normalia.
Ibu Lia, how are you? I'm fine. Nice to see you. I'm fine too.
Yeah.
Yes, nice to meet you too. Yeah.
Normalia.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. Okay, I would you like to introduce myself? My name is Nurmalia. You can call me Lia. I was born on Samboja. I graduated from IAIN Samarinda. I am a teacher at MTS Darunafi. For joining this training, hopefully I will get a new insight and the knowledge to be learned, to be applied in the school where I teach now. Of course, I'm going to improve my skill, and I will try to be best because according to me, this training is very moment to be got. Nice to thank you, Professor. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Normalia. Please choose another participant.
Yes.
Another participant. Can you choose another participant, Normalia?
Ibu Kalisa Azahra.
Tempat saya jaringan lelet, jadi saya tidak tahu. Di tempat saya jaringan lelet, jadi saya tidak tahu.
My name is Halisa Azahra. I am from Banjarbaru. I'm a teacher at MTS Ihya Ulumuddin. I was graduated from Universitas Lambung Mangkurat at 2003. The reason why I joined this training because I want to improve my knowledge, how to teach well, and of course, at the end of the training, after the training, I want to apply it to my students at school. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Silakan, Khalisa Azahra, another participant.
I want to choose Miss Ajeng Kusuman Tiastuti.
Yeah, Ajeng. Ajeng.
Hello, sir. Nice to see you again, sir.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ajeng Kusumaning Tiastuti. You can call me Ajeng. I'm from Palangkaraya. I teach at Raudatul Jannah Junior High School, Islamic Junior High School, for 2 years. Well, actually, I've been teaching English for about 5 years. I was graduated from Indonesia University of Education in Bandung, 2008, education. Actually, this is the second time this. What is it? Very enthusiastic to follow this course to enhance my I think that's all, sir. And once again, really nice to see you again, sir.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Ajang, this is the second time for PJJ. Belum pernah ketemu tetap muka di Balai Diklatnya ya?
Iya, belum pernah ketemu waktu
Oke, dalam yang masuk yang training ya, yang training English training, regular English training ya.
Ya, we will meet soon ya, sir.
Iya, soon. Yang pernah ketemu cuma sini Ibu Hesti kayaknya. Oke, Ibu Hesti, are you ready now? Oh iya,
Saya juga
masih problem.
Ya.
Hesti ya, oke.
Everybody, excuse me, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but
Clear.
maybe it is not very good because I have something wrong. I think something wrong with my microphone. Yeah, Bapak, this is the second one. The last time I met in 1999, I think. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all honorable teachers, my name is Hesti Kurnianingsih. I am from MTSN 1 Kota Waringin Timur, and I was graduated from IKIP Negeri Malang in 1995. And I heard that somebody here is from Universitas Negeri Malang, so I think you are my junior. So nice to see you. Okay, so my intention of joining this course is that I would like to meet new people. I would like to get new knowledge. I would like to have some share from other English teachers that can improve my teaching in English. And also nice to see Bapak Saifullah again. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Nice to see you all. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hesti, can you choose another participant that has not introduced yet?
Pak Jakaria sudah ya?
Oke, Jakaria. Not yet.
Kayak tadi ada Bapak Jakaria tadi.
Oke.
Iya.
Oke, silakan Bapak.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Is it clear?
Iya.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Saifullah. Thank you, Mrs. Hesti, for the chance for me to introduce myself in this occasion. Hi everyone. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jakaria. You can call me Jaka or Jack. That's what my friends usually call me. I'm from Tarakan. I teach English in MTSN Tarakan. I've been teaching here for about 1 year. I graduated from Mula Warman University in the year 2012. I hope my hope for the future in this training, I hope that it can benefit all of us. It can add to our knowledge and also can improve especially my teaching skill in teaching English, and also can help me improve my understanding of how to teach English properly to my students. That's all that I can say for this opportunity. I hope for the best for all of us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you, Jakaria. Please choose another participant.
Okay. It seems like there are some people in the slide number 2. I choose Mrs. Isna. Is she already?
I'm done, Pak Jakaria. Did I introduce the second time?
Oh, udah.
Sudah.
Okay, then Mr. Ahmad Yanto, please. I'm sorry if I haven't yet know some of the participants because I joined late because I was in the middle of traveling. I joined in late, so I don't know which one of the participants that has or have introduced themselves.
Okay.
So Muhammad.
Mahmudah.
Muhammad Iqbal or Mahmudah ya. Muhammad Iqbal dulu ya.
Yes.
Muhammad Iqbal.
Ya.
Okay, Muhammad Iqbal, please.
All right. Is it clear, everyone?
Clear.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, especially for Mr. Saifullah. Good morning. Well, I was born on 17 July from Staira Kamuntai also, like Mr. Ahmad Yanto, but I was graduated at 2020, so I am fresh graduated at English department major. And now I am the teacher at Ar-Raudah Junior High School at Karangpangi, Katingan, Central Kalimantan. To junior students, like first or second semester, and I am a teacher for them for some organizations that called Language Club. So in that organization, they learn more about English and Arabic. And my expectations about this forum is can make a good teacher and make a good environment, especially about English teacher in around Kalimantan. So I think that's all from me. If I make any mistakes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
It's your turn to choose another participant.
Maybe for the last one, Miss siapa tadi?
Mahmudah ya.
Iya, Miss Mahmudah, Pak.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you the opportunity. My name is Mahmudah. I come from Alabiu. I graduated from IAIN Antasari Banjarmasin. Now I'm an English teacher in MTS 1 Hulu Sungai Utara. I hope in this training I want to get more knowledge about teaching English, and I will get spirit to teaching my student at school. Thank you.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mahmudah. Okay. Choose another participant.
I don't know. Mr. Irwan Saputra.
Sudah Bu, Irwan Saputra.
Saya bantu ya langsung. Saya bantu Azwar Hamid ya.
Okay. Please, Azwar Hamid.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Okay. First, I'm feel nervous because this is the first time I follow the EPG. I follow the E-Learn. And meet you are the great teacher here. I'm very nervous because I met the great teacher here. All of us, maybe. Okay. Thank you for the time. I would like to introduce my name. My name is Ajwar Hamid. You can call me Ajwar. I'm English teacher in MTSM di Matabalong, and it's located in the remote area. So to follow this forum, I have to the second floor to get the good signal maybe. And I was graduated from IAIN Antasari Banjarmasin. In this forum, I have friend. His name is Mr. Ahmad Apandi. My special experience on teaching English, especially in pandemic COVID-19. Maybe all of us have the same problem, have the same experience when we teach English and the pandemic COVID-19. But the special experience is sometimes I have to go to the student house to give them listen, to give them material, and to give them motivation to learn, not only English. Sometimes accompanied by the counseling teacher. Sometimes I have to go to the remote area. Maybe all of us maybe teaching by using by technology information, but the problem is about the signal. So right, and then my motivation to follow this DCLAT or EPGG is to get more technique, to enrich my technique and my strategy to learn English, and then to get more friends, especially from you all, the great teacher here. Please share your experience. Please share to us, especially to me, about your technique and strategic or to teaching English, especially from Mr. Saifullah, our great Widyaswara. And I'm sorry if I can maximal to follow the training because I'm located in the remote area. Maybe we know that in the remote area, the problem is about the signal. Maybe not like you, all of you, or maybe all of you have Wi-Fi in the house, but me, it is, I'm sorry, I have not like that. And then in this forum, I hope Mr. Saifullah give something special for me, especially how to teach and how to teach the student in the remote area, not only in pandemic COVID-19, but in the real condition. I have the problem about that. Okay.
Normal condition, yeah. Okay. Very good.
I think also.
Okay.
I think all from me. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Aswar. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, the next, Mr. Apandi. How are you, Mr. Apandi? He is my classmate and ia in Tasik Banjarmasin. Okay, next.
Apandi sudah ya? Belum ya?
Yes, Mr. Apandi. It's not yet.
Okay, Mr. Apandi. Mr. Apandi, are you ready? Belum ya? Kalau begitu yang lain yang belum siapa? Yang belum? Eka Damayanti.
I am sir.
Eka Damayanti.
Eka Damayanti dulu ya. Nanti baru Febria. Oke. Eka Damayanti, ayo ready.
Jadi jam sebenarnya tahu jam.
Eka Damayanti. Not ready yet. Oke. Febria.
Jam kerja.
Febria.
Okay, everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Well, thank you for this opportunity. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Febria Tamara. Actually, I'm from Samarinda, but now I'm stay in Pasir Regency and teach in MTSN 3 Pasir. I was graduated from Larman University in 2013, And my teaching experience, I have tough since 2006, but I'm starting teaching English in 2010 in Samarinda. And my motivation join this training, this is my first time. I have registered before in last year, but rejected, not as the administration. And this is my first time, and I hope in this training I can improve my knowledge, my experience, and then my teaching skill, and I can get more friends, and we can share together about how to teaching student. And I expect from this training, after get this training, I can give more excellent service to the community, especially to our students. I think that's all about my introduction. Thank you very much for your good attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Febria. Can you mention another participant who has not introduced themselves?
Mr. Ahmad Zafar.
Oh ya, Zafar. Ahmad Zafar.
Hello.
Ya, hai, Ahmad Zafar. Ya.
Okay, thank you so much.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Ahmad Jafar. I'm an English teacher at Tes Negeri Samarinda, and I have been teaching English for about 17 years right now. I graduated from State University of Malang, and the reason why I joined this program because I believe the world is changing very rapidly and dynamically nowadays.
Ya, Mahmudah di off-kan dulu. Mute dulu Mahmudah ya. Okay.
Yeah, I repeat, I believe that the world is changing rapidly and dynamically nowadays. Therefore, I want to stay updated with the changes, the current changes and trends, especially in education. And I hope that by the end of this training, I will be able to get positive insights and knowledge to be shared later to my colleagues in the school and to the students as well. So that's all I think. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ahmad Jafar. Can you mention another participant?
I believe Ayu Vitasari hasn't introduced herself, so Ayu Vitasari, time is yours.
Very good.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for opportunity. Let me introduce myself. Maybe Mr. Jafar know me, and you, especially you, Mr. Saifullah. Previously, this is my second time meeting with you before
COVID.
No, yeah, with Mr. Saparudin and Mr. Ahmad Ghafuri in Palangkaraya. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Vitasari, but you can call me Ayu. I am an English teacher at MTS Sabilal Mutadin Samarinda. Okay, thank you. And I choose, I choose.
Masih ada ya?
Kak Damayanti.
Oh iya, Eka Damayanti.
Oh ya, Ibu Eka. Please, Bu Eka.
Okay, thank you, Ayu. Ya,
Thank you very much.
Eka.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya.
Introduce myself. My name is Eka Damayanti. You can call me Damai. I am from Barito Kuala. I am graduation of UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. I graduated in 2014. My reason for joining in this training, first, I want to add my knowledge and information about teaching English. And second, I want to add my experience. This training is my first online training. And third, I want to add friends. And fourth, I want to learn more about English. I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sudah semua ya? Masih ada? Oke. Sekarang saya mau share screen. Bisa dilihat ini?
Bisa, Pak.
Ya?
Bisa.
Oke, ini saya lihat ini dulu. Saya akan menjelaskan tugas kegiatan kita ya. Tadi ada beberapa harapan di sini ya. Yang pernah ketemu di regular training itu hanya Ibu Hesti sepertinya. Yang lain itu masih PJJ. Ya, harapannya nanti tahun depan bisa ketemu di Balai Diklat ya, ketemu langsung.
Amin.
Ya. Ada paradigma pembelajaran bahasa Inggris ini ya, Bapak Ibu ya, paradigma baru. Dulu paradigmanya adalah the teacher centered ya. The teacher is the most active one, the most active in giving opinions or giving materials to students, but it was not effective ya based on the research. Berdasarkan hasil penelitian itu tidak efektif kalau gurunya yang banyak bicara ya. Guru bahasa Inggris itu sedikit aja bicara, yang banyak bicara itu peserta didiknya ya. Nanti diusahakan seperti itu. Harapannya guru yang baik itu bicaranya sedikit ya, tapi penghasilannya banyak ya, seperti itu. Oke, itu yang pertama yang disebut dengan apa tadi itu teacher centered ya, itu yang pertama. Kemudian yang kedua ya ada namanya student centered. Orang menyebutnya student center ya, center atau centered, terpusat kepada peserta didik. Yang aktif itu peserta didiknya. The English teacher is only the facilitator. Kita memfasilitasi. Nah, bagaimana membuat pembelajaran di kelas itu aktif. Ya, jadi yang paling banyak bicara, paling banyak melakukan aktivitas itu adalah peserta didiknya ya. Nanti kalau ketemu di regular training, saya akan menunjukkan ya bagaimana proses pembelajaran bahasa Inggris itu bicaranya sedikit tapi informasinya sampai gitu ya. Seperti itu. Nanti itu terakhir Bu Hesti aja yang pernah ketemu mungkin ya, Ibu Ningrum itu juga ya, Ajeng ya. Juga baru di PJJ juga, Pak Jafar. Yang lain juga baru di PJJ, belum ketemu tatap muka. Nah, Bapak Ibu ini itu yang kedua. Yang ketiga nanti Bapak Ibu pembelajarannya namanya activity resources. Activity resources itu Bapak Ibu itu nanti di kelas hanya menyiapkan sumber-sumber belajar, peserta didiknya mencari sendiri sumber-sumber belajar itu, ya, melalui media Google, media YouTube dan lain-lainnya. Kita hanya memberikan apa namanya fasilitas. Bentar ya.
Kayaknya lewat website. Zoom taruh segera ketemunya Zoom. Ada dong. Bukan angkat hanya kawan Ibu Ajeng deh bertiga, bukan Edwena yang 4, bukan Indah, TSN 2.
Makanan bakalan. Betul, gue. Mana bayar saula?
Ya, baik, kita lanjutkan Bapak Ibu. Nah, ini yang selanjutnya adalah activity resources tadi Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi kita mengulangi paradigma pembelajaran itu nanti ada namanya teacher centered, ada student centered, ada namanya activity resources. Teacher centered masih ada, kita pakai tapi sudah dikurangi ya, paling sedikit persentasinya. Kemudian yang lebih banyak adalah student centered, berpusat kepada peserta didik. Nah, maka yang terakhir namanya activity resources. Karena itu kita nanti bisa mendapatkan ilmu itu di mana saja ya. Nah, dari itu ya paradigma Merdeka Belajar nanti ada beberapa perbedaan paradigmanya. Ya, kalau dulu pembelajarannya RPP-nya itu harus kaku gitu ya, ada regulasinya, ini kita diberikan kebebasan. Nah, juga nanti kebebasan untuk memilih metodologi pembelajarannya. Ya, itu nanti ada pembahasan tersendiri ya, perbedaan pendekatan paradigma dulu dengan paradigma Merdeka Belajar. Nah, dalam itu sebentar ya pengantarnya Bapak Ibu ya. Dalam PJJ ini Bapak Ibu ada beberapa tugas, yaitu ada 5 tugas individu, kemudian ada 1 tugas kelompok. Ya, tugas individu ini Bapak Ibu nanti adalah making video introducing yourselves. Ini menggunakan video, memperkenalkan diri. Ada sudah beberapa yang submit, sudah saya nilai. Ini tujuannya bukan hanya memperkenalkan diri Bapak Ibu ya, tapi tujuannya bagaimana melihat kemampuan Bapak Ibu itu menggunakan media video dan menguploadnya di PJJ kita. Jadi nanti bikinlah video yang sebaik-baiknya, suaranya juga jelas, benar-benar dipersiapkan ya, supaya nilainya juga bagus ya. Ada yang 4 orang, kemarin itu ada 1 yang direvisi, itu sudah saya nilai, itu videonya bisa langsung diupload di LMS, videonya bisa juga linknya saja yang dikirim, bisa juga kalau sudah punya YouTube, nanti videonya dimasukkan di YouTube, link YouTube-nya yang diupload di LMS kita. Ini sebenarnya terakhir ya, tugas 1 ini terakhirnya adalah tanggal 19 Juni tahun 2022 jam 12 malam ya, sebelum jam 12 malam 19 Juni. Ya, berarti itu jadi pembelajaran ini fleksibel Bapak Ibu. Jadi tidak ada nanti alasan sibuk ya. Paling 1 hari kita nanti tatap mukanya yang Zoom-nya itu 1 jam setiap hari, kan juga tidak harus setiap hari Bapak Ibu ya. Ini karena pertemuan pertama saja harus ada. Nah, ini tugas yang pertama ya, introducing yourself. Tugas yang kedua adalah namanya fill in the form of the action plan, upload it to Google Drive. Ini juga bisa langsung filenya di assignment 2 ini bisa juga di linknya saja. Tapi kalau masih bisa di-upload ya, di-submit di LMS PJJ, submit aja langsung. Nanti langsung saya nilai Bapak Ibu ya. Nah, ini yang kedua, ada nanti rencana tindak lanjut setelah selesai pelatihan ini, apa rencana Bapak Ibu, itu ada format yang diberikan, tapi Bapak Ibu bisa menambah formatnya, bisa mengurangi, atau bisa mengganti formatnya, tapi dengan alasan ya kenapa jadi berbeda formatnya. Nah, ini termasuk kebebasan Bapak Ibu ya. Ini termasuk bagian dari Merdeka Belajar juga. Jadi format itu sebagai panduan saja. Tapi kalau ada punya bentuk lain, misalnya bentuk paragraf saja, nanti setelah selesai pelatihan PJJ ini saya akan melakukan ini, ya. Tapi menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya, tidak diperkenankan nanti menggunakan bahasa Arab ya, ini tidak efektif. Nah, itu yang assignment 2. Paling lambatnya adalah tanggal 20 Juni tahun 2022 jam 11 malam ya, sebelum 1 menit tugas 2. Oke, tugas 3 juga analisis SKL, KIKD dan indikator. Itu ada juga format yang diberikan, tapi tidak wajib mengikuti format itu. Itu hanya sebagai panduan. Kalau Bapak punya kreativitas, yang penting nanti saya menggunakan analisis SKL-nya seperti ini formatnya, gitu ya. Sebutkan nanti alasannya apa. Itu nanti menemukan ide barunya ya di sini. Assignment 3 ini harus di submit itu paling lambat tanggal 20 Juni ya, jam 24 malam ya, 1 menit sebelum 24 malam. Berarti tugas 2 dan 3 ini waktunya sama ya, paling lambat tanggal 20. Assignment 4 itu making your own sentences using the format provided. Nah, kalau ini ikuti formatnya saja, membuat kalimat menggunakan pronouns ya. Pronouns itu kalimat sendiri ya, kalimat sendiri itu harus kontekstual ya, jangan mencari kalimat yang sudah ada di Google. Kalimat sendiri nanti konteksnya dikaitkan dengan sekolah kita seperti apa ya. Nanti ada teks, ada konteksnya. Ini tugas 4 tanggal 21 Juni ini berakhirnya ya. Jam 24. Tugas 5 reading articles, selecting and analyzing one of them using the format provided. Nah, di tugas 5 ini Bapak Ibu akan membaca beberapa teks hasil penelitian bagaimana pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang terbaik ya, yang terbaru. Ya, itu ada beberapa hasil penelitian, beberapa artikel itu dibaca Bapak Ibu ya, tugas 5 itu. Setelah itu dibaca itu pilih satu artikel yang menurut Bapak Ibu itu menarik, kemudian analisis menggunakan format yang tersedia. Ya, ada formatnya juga berlima. Nah, yang terakhir grup assignment ini kelompoknya making teaching simulation, membuat simulasi mengajar. Karena kan kalau di tatap muka ada namanya teaching practice, kalau kita di Balai Diklat ada namanya praktek pembelajaran. Karena ini PJJ, Bapak Ibu hanya membuat simulasi pembelajaran. Itu mungkin kalau ada masih siswanya di kelas, itu boleh nanti langsung merekam di kelas, nanti di-upload hasilnya. Jadi satu orang yang mengajar, yang lain siswa, tapi yang lain itu membantu dalam bentuk misalnya penguasaan teknologinya, bagaimana men-setting videonya. Nah, itu lalu di-upload ya, kalau bisa gitu. Jadi setiap kelompok itu nanti ada satu orang yang bertugas mengajar. Jadi bikin perencanaan pembelajarannya sama-sama nanti, tapi yang mengajarnya siapa. Jadi ada nanti diskusi kelompok membuat perencanaan pembelajaran. Nah, ketika nilai kelompok itu misalnya 90, maka semua dapat nilai 90 ya, sama. Sekalipun nanti yang praktik mengajar itu cuma 1. Baik, ini penjelasan Bapak Ibu bisa di download juga nanti ya. Ini di download juga di LMS penjelasan tugas-tugasnya. Misalnya tugas 2 ini tugas 1 sudah ini ya. Tugas 1 ini membuat video. in this section you are expected to make short video, upload it to Google Drive, atau langsung send the link to PJJ class, or you can submit directly to LMS. Yeah, the video is about introducing yourself. It covers your name, the university you are graduated from, your teaching experiences, pengalaman ngajar misalnya, pengalaman jadi guru berprestasi di mana ya. And your reasons for joining this training, tadi sudah disebutkan juga dalam perkenalan, tapi ditulis lagi dalam bahasa tulisan. Kemudian you can add much more information about your training experience too. Maksudnya ini menambah informasi tentang pengalaman mengikuti pelatihan ya di luar balai diklat. Yang maksudnya nih ya, training experience ini pengalaman ikut pelatihan di luar balai diklat tuh di mana pelaksanaannya, apa judul pelaksanaannya, kemudian ilmu apa saja yang didapat dari pelatihan itu ya. Kalau menambahkan ini, kalau Ibu Hesti sudah dapat nilainya ya, assignment 1, ada beberapa yang sudah, yang belum aja. Nah terus assignment 2-nya tadi, in this assignment you are expected to fill in the form of the action plan, RTL-nya, upload it to Google Drive and in PJJ class. Ini langsung submit in LMS ya. Kalau langsung di Google Drive berarti share the link. Nah, ini link aja yang dikirim. You can submit your assignment start from June 17 ini 17 Juni assignment 2 ini sampai 20 Juni ya. Nah, assignment 3, in the section you are expected to fill in the form provided. You can also add 1 or 2 columns or create different columns by adding reasons below the table. You can also create columns in different formats. Boleh membentuknya dalam kolom yang berbeda, format kolomnya berbeda, atau tanpa kolom juga boleh ya assignment 3 ini. Oke, ini hanya mengisi formatnya saja. Terus assignment 4-nya, the section you are expected to read the materials in PowerPoint. Nah, ini tugas 4 ini ada bahan di PowerPoint yang dibaca dulu. After that you have to make your sentences using the format provided. Please download the file first then fill in the form. Jadi file yang ini di-download, nanti baru dibaca dulu bahan di PowerPoint, baru bikin kalimatnya. Ini tugas 4 nih, you can submit assignment starting from June 20 to 24 ya, 24. The assignment 5 to increase your knowledge about the theory of English teaching, untuk menambah teori pengetahuan teori pembelajaran. You are expected to receive articles. Jadi diharapkan membaca beberapa articles about the teaching of English, tentang pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Kemudian read the articles, select one of the articles, analyze it, and put the result of your analysis in the table provided. You can also present the result on the analysis in the form of paragraph. Saya ini bisa dalam bentuk paragraf. Nah, you can submit assignment starting from June 20 to June 28 ya, sampai 28. Nah, ini oke Bapak Ibu, penjelasan tugasnya. Nanti kalau ada forum itu bisa diisi lagi, nanti setiap hari itu ada nanti penjelasannya. Oke, kita masih punya waktu 10 minutes ya, 10 menit untuk tanya jawab. Silakan, ada yang ditanyakan dulu. Next question.
Excuse me, sir.
Muhammad Iqbal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Excuse me. Can I?
Yes, Iqbal.
Itu tadi ada di tugas kelima tentang artikel. Jadi Pak Art sendiri yang mencari beberapa artikelnya, karena ini pertama kalinya Ulun mengikuti pelatihan semacam ini, khususnya PJJ. Kemarin Ulun ada lihat di bagian form Balai Diklat itu tentang yang assignment 1. Tugas pertama itu tadi saya sudah paham tentang membuat video, tapi kemarin saya ada lihat make some apa ya, paragraf kayaknya. So make a good paragraph katanya. Jadi itu Pak, tugasnya membuat paragraf juga kah di situ atau cukup video saja? Terima kasih.
Baik.
Itu saja pertanyaan.
Jadi yang pertama, articles itu begitu dibuka nanti assignment 5 gitu ya, itu sudah ada linknya. Jadi kumpulan artikel sudah disediakan ya. Nanti pilih yang mana yang lebih relevan dengan tugas kita. Apakah kita ingin memperbaiki, improve our students listening ability, our students speaking ability, or our students knowledge, our students reading ability, ya, apa yang kita mau perbaiki, atau kita ingin menggunakan metode pembelajaran yang lebih baru karena hasil penelitian semua ya yang sudah dicoba, nanti dideskripsikan seperti apa hasilnya. Nah, kemudian yang kedua yang ditanyakan buat paragraf tadi itu namanya bentuknya forum ya. Jadi kalau ada nanti dibuka-buka LMS-nya, jangan-jangan ada hari ini muncul forum, maka diisilah forum itu, kita ikut berpartisipasi. Jadi membuat kalimatnya bisa di copy paste langsung di forum sana ya, bikin paragraf dulu di Word, di copy baru di sana. Atau kalau langsung diketik di sana kan kelamaan gitu ya. Kan ada tadi yang katanya ada signal kan, jadi beli HP signalnya tidak beli, jadi nggak bisa. Jadi dimasukkan di Word dulu, baru itu. Jadi tiap hari kalau ada forum berarti itu bisa menggantikan tatap muka kita kalau ada forum. Artinya tidak usah pakai Zoom, kita tidak apa-apa karena forum itu pengganti pertemuan kita, gitu ya. Misalnya hari ini, tiba-tiba saya tidak bisa masuk, maka Bapak Ibu mengisi di forum di sana ya, disediakan. Gitu ya, bagus pertanyaannya. Baik, silakan yang lain.
Thank you Mr. Saifullah.
Ya, Pak. Ya, welcome. Siapa lagi? Ya, terkait yang penjelasan aktivitas kita. Ya, Eka. Ini
Thank you for time, Mr.
Ya.
When I see on the assignment 4, assignment, the second assignment, Mr. I still confused because in this the first time to join the training. So could you give us the example of the action plan so I could fill in the table with the the file is provided. So I still confused to fulfill in the table of the file. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all my questions. Thank you, Mr.
Oke, mengisi rencana tindak lanjut itu ada filenya ya. Filenya ada nggak di sana? Di download filenya, pokoknya adalah contoh di sana ya. Begitu dibuka ada filenya, ada contohnya. Nah, itu hanya sebagai format, tapi tidak wajib diikuti. Ya. Setelah pelatihan ini, saya akan menerapkan ilmu saya ini terutama dalam hal apa. Jadi nanti didata dulu. Jadi masalahnya apa. Nanti di forum, kita ada khusus forum nanti mengumpulkan permasalahan pembelajaran di kelas. Jadi supaya kita nanti ketemu solusinya. Jadi bebas ya bentuknya. Mungkin ikut PJJ sebelumnya itu masih kaku, sekarang kita sudah dilatih untuk merdeka belajarnya ya. Jadi itu hanya sebagai panduan. Jadi action plan is the explanation what will you do after joining this training. What will you do after you get some knowledge, experiences, and friends ya from this training. Ya, itu. Jadi bebas saja, mau dalam bentuk table atau mau dalam bentuk paragraf juga bebas. Kalau ada contohnya boleh di-download. Jadi kalau beda itu tidak mempengaruhi nilainya ya. Nanti Bapak Ibu ada 5 tugas itu nanti dijumlahkan, dihitung nanti rata-ratanya. Karena untuk bisa nilainya itu sangat kompeten itu harus di atas 90 nilainya ya. Bila 85 itu baru kompeten, beda dengan kuliah. Kalau kuliah 80 itu sudah A. Kalau pelatihan ini kalau mau A itu 90 nilainya ya gitu. Jadi nilainya setiap mensubmit itu kalau sudah saya baca, Bapak Ibu bisa langsung lihat nilainya. Jadi nanti menghitung sendiri nanti berapa nilai rata-ratanya ya. Jadi sudah siap gitu. Dan nanti mungkin ada sekali-sekali saya kirim link latihan di grup, atau nanti link pemilihan ketua kelas kan belum ada. Nanti saya kirim linknya, saya kirim nama-namanya, Bapak Ibu nanti tinggal mencentang saja siapa yang pas jadi ketua kelas. Begitu. Ya, sama-sama. Ya, ya. Oke. Mamudah.
Nilainya berapa persen?
Yang mana? Siapa yang bertanya tadi? Siapa tadi yang bertanya hilang? Baik, ya tadi saya jelaskan itu tadi ya. Jadi dari pertanyaan itu saya bisa menjelaskan yang lainnya juga. Jadi nilainya nanti 90 itu kalau hendak sangat kompeten ya. Jadi kalau 85 baru kompeten, bila di bawah 85 itu nanti cukup kompeten. Nah, makanya jangan sampai cukup nilainya ya. Seperti itu. Sudah jelas? Sudah cukup? Sudah mau istirahat ya?
Insya Allah
ya.
jelas.
Udah jelas semua ya? Tapi
Insya Allah jelas.
nanti boleh juga nanti japri boleh juga kalau tidak mau mengganggu di grup terlalu banyak, terlalu penuh, masalahnya ada tidak ingin mengganggu yang lain, nanti di japri saja pertanyaannya ya kalau ada masalah. Boleh. Mungkin nanti ada dua, nanti saya share linknya. Pertama share link tentang pembentukan ketua kelompok, mungkin sore nanti. Sore kan ada Zoom mestinya, tapi hari ini tidak ada ya. Nanti saya kasih linknya saja untuk memilih ketua kelas. Yang kedua nanti saya akan membagi kelompok. Jadi Bapak Ibu nanti bikin kelompok lagi untuk berdiskusi. Gitu ya, berdiskusi ada orang 30, berarti nanti satu kelompoknya 6, ada 5 kelompok nanti seperti itu. Baik, ini yang hadir Pak Lukman. Pak Lukman masih ada nih Pak Lukman. Sudah ya, nanti informasi lain-lainnya nanti bisa saya share di grup atau bisa bisa japri gitu ya. Dan setiap hari dibuka ya kelasnya itu. Begitu kan namanya absen kan, hadir dulu hari itu, nanti lihat jangan-jangan ada forum gitu kan, itu harus diisi forumnya karena itu dinilai juga termasuk aktivitas. Itu adalah PJJ dengan tatap muka. Jadi kita Zoom-nya itu tidak wajib tiap hari ya, bisa saja nanti 3 hari sekali Zoom-nya. Tapi nanti forum bisa ada tiap hari. Ya, seperti itu. Mungkin itu untuk pertemuan kita pagi hari ini. Thank you for your attention ya. It's nice to meet you in this training. I hope you will get some benefits, some knowledge, some experience, and you can improve your skill in teaching methodology, especially in teaching English. Thank you. Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, Mr. Saifullah.
Terima kasih banyak Pak.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Saifullah dan Bapak Ibu semua. Mudah-mudahan
Thank you very much,
Zoom kita pada hari ini bisa membawa pencerahan pada Bapak Ibu semua. Kami mohon juga keaktifannya, terutama dalam jangan lupa tiap hari masuk ke web PJJ-nya, tiap hari simak berita di WA grupnya. Jangan sampai Bapak Ibu ketinggalan informasi ataupun tugas dari kami. Begitu saja untuk hari ini. Silakan dipelajari ulang untuk materi pada hari ini BLC dan RTL-nya. Bagi yang belum mengerjakan tugas, silakan dikerjakan tugas BLC-nya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih banyak Pak Lukman.